Hi everybody, and welcome to my video, my first video in YouTube, which is about how to learn Swedish by using a Swedish website that they use in school to teach Swedish, of course. First I'm going to explain to you how what is that website about. It is about different levels. First it is about the first level. It's let's start. It has alphabet, how to pronounce them, how to pronounce numbers, how to pronounce names, how to say hi. And in the second level it talks about what do you say in if you go to shop something, and it is about countries in Europe and names of food. In this subject you will learn where can you ring, who can you call if you are ill, and what should you say. Here you can try a bit. And in this subject it is about where do you live. I mean, do you live in a flat? Do you have a house? Do you have a villa? Do you have your own house? And which province do you live in? That's what you can learn in this subject, in this level, I mean. And in this level, the fifth level, you will learn about what do you like and how does it feel to live in Sweden. But so you will learn that in that level. And this one, the sixth level, which is about what do you want, and here you will learn about how do they study in Sweden, and which possibility which is exists here in Sweden. And here, how does it work? The seventh, how does it work? Who decide in Sweden? How do you pay things? So you will learn too much. I think this website will be just enough for a beginner, for someone who is beginning. For me, I've used that website before I came to Sweden. I didn't know how to use it, but I used it anyway. I was just clicking. But anyway, when I used it, I learned how to pronounce things. I learned how to remember the words, how they spell it. So I hope that it will help you too. You will find the link in YouTube with the video. So now let's start. Vi börjar. Okay, when you click in let's start, you can try to listen to what is writing here. You see? Okay, I will click so you can hear how it does. You click here in that I don't know what the name for it, but I will click here.
Hur uttalas siffrorna? Det och mycket annat får du lära dig i modul 1.
So here you find that you can learn about alphabet, how do they pronounce it, how is it pronounced in the word, in the middle of the word, and if you want to spell it, which name will you say if you want to say an exact alphabet. For example, if you go to the first one. Here, for example, I will click in A.
A. K. U. Ö. Ä.
So as you notice, whenever you click in an alphabet, you will hear how it is pronounced, how it should be pronounced. That's the first one. If we go to the next page, about alphabet, of course, here you can do a little exam. So you click in start, and then you will hear the name of the alphabet, and then you should choose it. Okay, start.
F.
F. It started with F, and then when you click in the alphabet, if it is right, then it shows nästa, which means next, nästa. If it's wrong, for example, I will try.
J.
I will check in somewhere else, which will be wrong. You see how it looks. But if I click here, then it is right. Now we go to the next page. That's the name of the alphabet, how it should be spelled. For example, I will check in A.
Adam.
Because each alphabet, it has a name. For example, Adam.
Adam. Bertil. Caesar. David.
So you will need that, because if you are talking in the phone and you want to tell your name and the other person don't know which alphabet do you mean, then you should say a name which starts with that alphabet. We go to the next one. Here is exam again, and I think it is just easy. So you can start some like before. Start. Philip, and then you go to F, and then next.
Johan.
Okay, so I see you in the next in the next part. Well, see you later. Oi.